Tinubu chose Senator Kashim Shettima, a fellow Muslim, as running mate for the 2023 presidential election, generating controversy. At an interactive session with the leadership of the Christian Association of Nigeria, CAN, on Wednesday, November 16, Tinubu dismissed those who described him as a religious bigot, saying the choice of Shettima has nothing to do with religion. Tinubu said,
why the same faith ticket? These are irrelevant to the well-being of our country. That's my belief. Well, I did not choose the senator so that we could form a same faith ticket to construct a same faith. I chose him because I wanted a progressive government and people-based ideological ticket. I offer a confession here. I select Senator Shettima, thinking more about who will best help me govern than who will help me best worship. Picking a Christian running mate would have been politically easier, but that's not my way. But the easy way is rarely the right one, not all the time. The selection of a running mate is at once a very momentous yet very intimate decision. We are all here. A mixed faith will witness Obasanjo and Atiku public fighting.